welcome back to Vlogmas. If you are new here, my name is Brenda and I like to film vlogs about lifestyle. So if you're into that kind of thing, please support the channel by clicking subscribe. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and share. Share this channel with your friends. Get them on board to Brenda Edith. So today's Vlogmas, I should say, we are going on the hunt for more Christmas spirited stuff. I did go Christmas decor shopping already. However, I am in need of some Christmas pajamas, and I usually don't have Christmas pajamas, so I'm not really sure if I'm gonna get like anything super themed. I'm probably just gonna get like a winter themed color. And yeah, because the pajamas that I have right now are still sort of like spring summer status. Yeah, I know. So I'm gonna go get some new PJs and some cozy slippers because my slippers are on their tail end already. Like, they're done. And I also want to go look for a centerpiece for our dining table. I was actually in search of this when we went shopping for our decor, but I didn't see anything that I absolutely loved for the dining table. So I know that there's like a whole trend going where you can decorate with like a runner and candles and so forth, but I just want a simple, beautiful, timeless centerpiece that we can use every year for Christmas, God willing. I also want to go to Bath and Body Works to see what they've got going on in there, because y'all know that I love my Christmas candles. So hopefully when we come back and the shopping trip is a success, we're able to give you a haul. But without further ado, let's get into the vlog. It is now nighttime, and that is because it's the hour changes here in California, daylight savings, whatever they call it. And the thing is, it's actually still early, but yet it's dark, and it's not my thing. So how was the shopping trips? Well, they were kind of successful. I'll give you guys a better update when we get home, but I'm gonna stop by Kirkland's to see if I can find my table centerpiece, because let's just say that I still haven't been able to find a centerpiece, and that was the whole point of, well, one of the main points of shopping today. But there's a lot of traffic going on, and it's just down the street, so let's go. we are back home. Thank God we made it home safely, and I am going to give you guys an exciting Christmas spirit shopping haul. So again, today I was on the hunt for mainly a centerpiece for the dining table, and I also wanted to get some holiday pajamas because I've never really have had any holiday pajamas. I shouldn't say never, but I feel like in my adulthood I just stick with the same PJs, you know? But this year I wanna, get more into the spirit. So with that being said, I also picked up some new slippers. Now, there were a lot of cute slippers, but they didn't have my size. And I was like, oh my gosh. So I ended up going with a traditional color. I don't know, guys. These are just some basic slippers, but they kind of remind me of those shoes that are, what are they called? The clogs. They kind of remind me of clogs, but they're not. They're just slippers. These are the Deer Foam. So it's a brand that is pretty good for comfort for the foot. And this time I wanted a slipper that can give me some support in the back. And then I wanted a slipper that I can use outdoor if I needed to step out to throw out the trash or something. So yeah, and then these are machine washable, which is, remember what I told y'all? I wanted machine washable items, obviously. So yeah, I got these. I sized up just because if I wanted to wear thicker socks with them when it gets super cold, I can squeeze into them. So these are the new slippers. Christmas spirit, it's got the fur on it. And then I ended up picking up the pajamas that we tried on in the fitting room. Yeah, I didn't end up going with the plaid. Listen, when I was in high school, which was like way back in the day, plaid was in, and when I put those PJs on, I just felt like high school Brenda, and it was just like not okay. I was like, no. Just like Vans, like the shoes brand Vans, I used to wear those all the time, and I used to wear those Vans like early on into my 20s, and I'm just like, I'm out of that era. So I just went with this elegant red colored PJs. I really like them because they're very soft and comfy and airy, which is a material that I was looking for. And I like how it has the black little accents here to kind of give it a really, like sophisticated look at night. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I sized up as well because I wanted the PJs to be loose and very comfortable. So these are my new holiday pajamas. I might get another set if I want to, but for now, this is gonna do it. And at HomeGoods, I was searching for a table centerpiece for the dining table, and I found something, and then I changed my mind because I was like, you know what? I like this centerpiece, but I don't love it. And I want this centerpiece to be, like I said, a centerpiece that I'm able to use, God willingly, the years to come. So I just decided not to take it. And then I also had picked up another item. I even forgot what the other item was. But I didn't end up taking like a couple of items at HomeGoods, but I did pick up these amazing Turkish cotton kitchen towels. These are so cute. As you can see, it has like the trees and really soft little ends. These are oversized kitchen towel, so I kind of feel like this would be really timeless, and it's really good quality. I'm so glad I was able to find this at HomeGoods for $9.99. So not bad, and I really like the colors. Like I said, I like to stick right now with my Christmas decor palette, the traditional green and red. So I really like these, so I'm really glad that I picked those up for the kitchen. And then right after HomeGoods, I jumped into Bath and Body Works because I wanted to pick up some candles, but unfortunately they did not have any good deals with the candles. So I just ended up using some of my coupons that I had, which was a 25% off coupon and then also a free item. So I got this body spray at Bath and Body Works. It's the Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. How do you say this? Bourbon? Is that how you say it? I typically like scents that are sweet because anything that's floral, which smells amazing, floral ends up giving me a headache. So I just don't even wear floral. I like just sweet, something that's just like immediate like scent, and then I don't even have to worry about it. You know what I mean? So I'm really excited to have this scent throughout the Vlogmas season. And then I also ended up picking up this candle, just one candle, but this one is the Vanilla Bean Noel. And this one smells like vanilla. It really does. It does smell like vanilla. And I really like that, I wanna say flavor. I really like that scent, especially in our home, anything with vanilla. I know the candles that we picked up that I showed y'all in the other Vlogmas haul, there were more apple, cinnamon scented, but my husband loves that scent and I love this scent. So I'm probably gonna put this one in our room because I feel like vanilla in a smaller room is just very warm and cozy. So yeah, that's the candle that I got at Bath & Body Works. 25% off, and I got this. So all of this would have costed $45 plus tax, but I ended up getting it just for 20 bucks after taxes. So just 20 bucks, not bad for a Bath & Body Works product in my opinion. As y'all can already probably tell that I wasn't able to find my table centerpiece, which was very important for me. So I ended up going to my favorite store that never ever disappoints me, and that's Kirkland's. Kirkland's is a home decor store here in the States. I'm not sure if they have them overseas. Okay, first I'm gonna show you one item that I ended up picking up at Kirkland's, which is this beautiful art piece. And as y'all can see, it's the nativity scene, and it has baby Jesus, Mother Mary, and Joseph, and the star. And I really, really love this type of art because it's sort of modern, but yet it's like kind of, I don't know, like modern, and it just looks like somebody just like did this like in front of you. And it just looks very raw. There you go, raw and modern. And I like that. I really like that. And I love the cut of it, you know? So I'm gonna probably put this in our bedroom because we do have a small nativity scene that we like to put in the living room, but I also wanted to incorporate more of Jesus into our home decorations since Jesus is the reason for the season. So I really, really love this. Love this. And I got this for $12.99. So I can't wait to put this up when we decorate, but super cute. And they actually had the, like, it came with two. It wasn't a set or anything, but the other one had the 3 kings. But I was like, honestly, I'm only gonna take this because we don't have a lot of shelf space anyways. And if I really want to, I'll pick up the other one, but I really love this. I really like it. Let me show you the last item that we picked up today, which was at Kirkland's. And again, the centerpiece. Here we go, everybody. Cover your eyes. Cover your eyes. Moment of truth. Here we go. Ta-da! Can you guys see this beauty right here? Okay, first of all, this type of ceramic pot was what I was looking for. I was literally looking for this at Target, TJ Maxx, HomeGoods. I was looking, I didn't see it. I even went on Amazon and I couldn't find something in this size because our table is not huge and I didn't want anything too drastic or huge. This is the size that I was looking for. This was a ceramic pot that I was looking for. I don't know if you guys can see how it has like that matte finish. Really like it. Yeah, and I really like the greenery too, because eventually I would like to incorporate more of this greenery into the house. So I feel like this is a really beautiful piece. It has obviously the bread in there, which I still am incorporating with my current Christmas decor palette. And then I love how it has like the snow pine cones and then the regular ones. This is beautiful, and I got this for $17. Beautiful, and I just love this pot. So I can't wait to show my husband later, but this is what we were looking for, and it's an awesome success. But anyway, that is what we picked up today with the Christmas spirit shopping. I hope that y'all enjoyed today's vlog. If you liked it, please don't forget to like this video, comment, and share the channel with your friends, get them on board to Brenda Edith, and I will see you all on the next vlog. Bye.